People of YouTube, welcome back to Field Builds. We're in the workshop today with one of my favourite bikes, the Honda CG125. We're on a rescue mission. I'm going to show you around the bike and we're just going to get straight to it.
Here she is, CG125. I know what you're thinking, mate, this one's already finished. It's very, very similar to what I do. Apparently it was built by a shop up in London a few years back, but it just hasn't been looked after. We've got surface rust, exhaust wrap all hanging off, kickstarts all seized. I was told it was a non-runner, bought it as a non-runner, obviously sold as seen, blah blah blah. Got it back, did actually get it running today. Runs really nice, no horrible noises. It's very similar to what I do, so I won't be going mental with this one. Obviously the majority of the work has been done, it's just going to be a tart up. Yeah, thinking red and white Marlboro livery on this one, all black with a red and white on the tank. I think it's going to be a really, really lovely looking bike when it's done. If you want to see it when it's finished, hang around to the end, chuck it on full screen, and let's put another dream on another driveway. Here we are then, back outside with this absolutely gorgeous CG125 finished in the red and white Marlboro. An absolutely gorgeous looking bike. From what we started with, haven't gone crazy on this one, just tweaked a few things, got a few things to fit a bit better, and then just give it all a once over in the service, and this has come out absolutely stunning. It's surprising how good you can get these old girls looking with a bit of time and a bit of care. They really do come up like new. Just see it shining there in the sun. Finish on that tank is immaculate. Just got gloss white. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, it's like a metallic flick to that red with the Marlboro there and the black diamond stitch seat. Just a really nice, simple, stripped down street scrambler. Proper gorgeous bit of kit. This is one of my favourite bikes I've done so far. Let me know down in the comments what you reckon. I'm doing a giveaway when I get to 10k. I'm giving away a bike just like this, completely free of charge, just to say thank you to everyone for watching and supporting the channel. It's completely free to do. Tap subscribe now. Let's fire this old girl up, see what she sounds like. Well then guys, one more build all done. Really lovely looking bike. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Smash that like button if you like this video. I'll pop another one up in the corner. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.